5500 volume capacity machine like this one, okay, where you can is for 550 kgs. Again, you have the pneumatic stainless steel door. The front frame is 100% stainless steel, okay. The case as well, and in this case the covers are waterproof. This can be changed for, if you want, for stainless steel as well. The PLC, okay, with inverter is over there. And in this side we can see the funnel to inlet chemicals. Sometimes here you can have some tanks as well, okay. Funnel to inlet chemicals, okay. And this is the back side of the machine. You see the motor and gearbox, okay, are designed in a way that to minimize the consumption of electricity. And very important is the axle, and here, let me check if I can see. Here you have the seals. Okay? Seals. That is very important, the way of replacing. Then inlet chemicals, no, water over there, and this is the other. Okay. This is a fantastic machine for washing and dyeing any kind of garments, from jeans to knitwear, from very light fabrics to very hard fabrics. In this case, we put some compartments to avoid the friction between garments. Hope you